Hey there, lovely people. I'm Diksha, your curly-haired girl, and I am thrilled to be the newest member of the BB Squad. I can't contain my excitement as I look forward to creating amazing content and having a blast with the BeBeautiful team and, of course, its lovely audience. Now, as you can see, I have curly hair, and one of my concerns as a curly-haired girl myself is how to keep my hair looking soft and nourished. So if that sounds like a concern you have as well, then stick around because I am going to walk you through a 3-step routine to achieve hydrated and bouncy hair. But before we begin, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So imagine your hair is like a garden and hydration is the magic water that makes it bloom. When your hair is thirsty and lacks moisture, it's like that sad, withered plants that desperately need a drink. Hydrating your hair is like being the gardener, sprinkling that H2O goodness all over your locks. And boy, does that make a difference. Hydration swoops in to smoothen the hair cuticles, reducing frizz and giving the curls a defined and polished appearance. When it comes to hydrating our hair, the key is to choose products that contain moisture-binding ingredients. For instance, hyaluronic acid. This magical ingredient acts as a humectant, and it is like a magnet for moisture. It attracts water molecules and holds onto them tightly, ensuring your hair stays moisturized for a longer time. So let me introduce you to a hair care range that I am most excited about. This is the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost range. It consists of 3 key steps: cleanse, treat, and seal. For cleansing, we have the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Shampoo. For treatment, we have the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Conditioner and the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Mask. And for sealing, we have the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Hair Serum. This hair care range consisting of hyaluronic acid as its star ingredient. So this range would be ideal with anyone who has dull and dry hair, rough and frizzy hair, or heat-exposed overstyled hair. Plus, it has 0% sulfates, 0% parabens, which means you can indulge in this hair care delight without any worries of dryness. So let me walk you through these steps. What I like to do is, of course, first start off by applying a coin-sized amount of the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Shampoo on the scalp area. Shampoos are specially formulated to cleanse the scalp, eliminating dirt, sweat, excess oil, and dead skin cells. This cleansing action ensures a clean scalp, enabling better absorption of moisture and maximizing the benefits of the shampoo's hydrating ingredients, which help retain moisture in both scalp and hair. Just gently massage the shampoo onto your scalp using your fingertips. This increases blood circulation, which can promote nutrient delivery to the hair follicles and improve scalp health. Make sure to avoid using your nails or applying too much pressure, so it's essential to be gentle. For the treatment part, you can have 2 options in this range. You can either use the conditioner or the hair mask, because truth be told, hydration is equally crucial for both the scalp and the length of the hair. It prevents dryness and breakage, protecting your hair from damage and promoting healthy hair growth. Let me show you how I like to use my conditioner. So before applying the conditioner, ensure to squeeze out excess water, because if your hair is too wet, the conditioner won't latch onto the locks properly and will instead just slip away. For this, I use a soft cloth, wrap my hair in it, and gently squeeze the towel. Now, I'll take the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, sulfate-free, and paraben according to my hair length. I'll spread it all across my hands and focus on mid-length till the ends. Once it's all applied, it's time to let that conditioner work its magic for a solid 5 to 6 minutes, soaking in all that goodness. Then, on a weekend-to-weekend basis, I also like to treat my hair with the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Mask with hyaluronic acid, sulfate-free, and paraben. While conditioners work wonders in smoothing the hair shaft and taming frizz, a hair mask goes above and beyond. To apply the mask, I like to divide my hair into sections and generously apply the mask from mid-length all the way to the tips, giving extra love to those dry and damaged ends. You can use a wide tooth comb to distribute it further. Then, I let it work its magic for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off. The last step is to seal the hydration by using a hair serum. So what the serum does is it forms a protective coating around the hair cuticle. This seals the hair and keeps weak and damaged hair hydrated and moisturized. How I like to use the TRESemmé Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Hair Serum is by applying it once while hair is still damp. Not wet, just damp. And then I also like to apply it during the day when my hair needs a quick pick-me-up. It adds a whole lot of shine, retains moisture, and seals the hair cuticles. All of it will ensure that your hair stays hydrated for a really long time. I hope you liked the 3-step routine to get hydrated and bouncy hair. If you want to grab these amazing products, then scroll down to the description box below for the product links. Before you leave, like, share, and subscribe to the BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, bye!